wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got freedom from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
और Japanese medium school से editor Chanchal Jabir International Public School. Dear friends, teachers, and my fellow students, close your eyes just for 3 seconds. Imagine 75 years ago, tonight, a mother said a boy in a dark room. Her son in prison. Her husband was not come home. Outside the yard, smells of smoke and hope. She whispered for prayer, not for herself, for freedom. She will never see for you. Freedom is your inheritance. It is the reason you work in a classroom, not a factory. The reason your voices are here, not silent. The reason your dreams are valid, not forbidden. But freedom is not a gift. It is a debt. I will repay it. Not just waving flags today, but honoring the sacrifice every day. When you see injustice, be their voice. When you see a classmate, feel their own courage. When you feel like waiting, remember, they gave God tomorrow for us today. Our heroes also young like us. Bhagat Singh was 23. Rani Lakshmibai led army since 29. Subhash Chandra Bose says, "Give me blood, I give you freedom." At 40. But his regulations was built on student heart. They never wait to grow up to change history. Neither can we. Today I ask you, what your hand bill? What injustice be your what your voice is stutter? What darkness will your light erase? Please this with me. Please promise with me.
Please everyone raise your hands. Everyone please take a one more.
I will study. As every book holder nation's hope. I will act as every choice as Indian souls. I will rise not for fear, for our freedom. Cast a mother our soul. I will rise worth and prize. Now look around, your brothers and sisters. Hold their hands, lead their dreams. You are the answer to a Martin last prayer. When you live today, carry this truth. You are not just a student. You are not just a student. You are the keepers of a new dawn. You are the songs of new dawn. You are Indian, breathing, fighting. Hope, let's go. Build the future that I for. Happy Independence Day. लबों पे सच्चाई दिल में वफा रखते हैं. लबों पे सच्चाई दिल में वफा रखते हैं. वतन के दुश्मनों से टकराने का हिम्मत रखते हैं. वाह.
Principal sir, vice principal ma'am, my teachers, all the staff of my school and all the students. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shabnam from class 6 student of Jeff English Medium School. On this day, I would like to present a short speech to you. Our freedom, our future. Today, as our flag soars high, we didn't see the color of freedom, but we feel them in our hearts. 78 years ago, those of our age chose courage over comfort. They weren't just fighting their tomorrow; they are fighting for ours. What does freedom mean to it? It rights. The right to ask word in class, change to chase, dream whether in science, sports or art. But our freedom is not free. It asks something of us too. Protect our nation's dignity. Share truth, not hate. Honor our diversity. Stand up, students sitting alone. Earn our freedom daily. Study with serve. Lead with pride. Our heroes didn't have an iPhone, but they changed the story. I am a guardian of my nation's future. I will learn swiftly, act justly, and dream boundlessly. Friends, the old aunt remember what we said today. It will remember what we did tomorrow. Let's wake three-colored proud. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Tawassul Parveen from class 7 of Jeff English Medium School. The unit of Chancellor Jabir तो नदियाँ किस काम की, आंसू न होगी तो आंखें किस काम की। पानी न होगी तो नदियाँ किस काम की, आंसू न होगी तो आंखें किस काम की। दिल न होगी तो धड़कन किस काम की, और अगर हम वतन के याद ना आए, अगर हम वतन के काम ना आए तो जिंदगी किस काम की। So today I will stand here to sing a song. मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं। मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा, मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। ख्वाब से भी है भरी मेरी देश की कहानी, बाजुओं में इतना दम के पलटते रवानी। कितनों ने लुटा देश के सान में जवानी, एक पल न सोच बड़ी जान भी गवानी। पहुंचूं कहीं भी मैं मेरी पहचान रहेगा, मेरे देश का तिरंगा मेरे सामने रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं। मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा, मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी, दुनिया में अलग बांध है हमारी। कितनी हो धर्म कितनी हो भाषाएं, पर एकता न टूटती हमारी, पर एकता न टूटती
Please everyone clap your hands.
हमारी।
Please everyone clap your hands.
कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी, दुनिया में अलग बांध है हमारी। कितनी हो धर्म कितनी हो भाषाएं, पर एकता न टूटती हमारी, पर एकता न टूटती हमारी। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, सदियों से आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं, मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं। मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद रहेगा, मेरे खून का हर कतरे जिंदाबाद कहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा, मैं मर भी जाऊँ तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। थैंक यू।
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Farhana Parveen. I read in class 3A. The name of my school is Jap English Medium School. I read in poem. Poem name is My Pillar. I learned of a man who struggled so hard when he's falling fast from the start. Spoke gentle and only kindness is new. His conviction in his message was true. The touch of his hand was as soft as silk to comfort a crying child who made his coat or do these chores, never complaining. He's always smile. So I loved him more than all creation. My leader, my humble prophet, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a mercy to all mankind, and to me he is my beloved. Thank you.
Please everyone give a big round of applause for Sahana.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Abba Parveen. I am class 3A. My school name is English Medium School,
morning to everyone. My name is Tanzina Zalam and I am from class 6 of Jeff English Middle School. And I feel very proud to stand before you on this special occasion of Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. This freedom was achieved on the pain, hard work, sacrifices of many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others. They dreamed as a free, united, and strong India. Now, it is our duty to protect it, to be honest, responsible, and hardworking citizens. We must united, strong, and must be contribute and construction to the growth of our nation. Let's remember the soldiers who protect us from our enemies and the heroes who give us this freedom. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Please everyone clap your hands. मेरा है ना बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है, मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात की घमंड है, ना भारत का और भारत मेरा है. With this beautiful sari, our next participant, Reach from class 6, will deliver his speech to front of everyone. So everyone, please clap your hands to welcome him.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Riz Kalbi. I read in class 6. My school name is Jeff English Medium School. A unit of Cultural Rehabilitation Public Trust. In this special occasion, I deliver a short speech that speech about freedom fighters. Freedom fighters of brave people who fought for the freedom of their country. In India, many freedom fighters worked hard to end British rule. Some famous freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Mahatma Gandhi used for non-violence to fight for independence. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose led many battles to freedom. These leaders are believed in equality, justice for all. They sacrifice a lot of to make many. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Everyone, please clap your hands. कुछ नशा तिरंगे का आम का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आम का है, कुछ नशा मिट्टी की शान का है. कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आम का है, कुछ नशा मिट्टी की शान का है. देश भर में लहरा रहा है ये तिरंगा, ये नशा हिंदुस्तान का है. With this beautiful sari, I would like to call Firad Basar Ansari from class 8. Please come up on the stage to sing a beautiful naat. So everyone, please clap your hands to welcome him.
আমি করলে হলো না তুমি
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.
जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है हम, जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है हम, वफादार है हम वफादार है. जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है हम, वफादार है हम वफादार है. गोली सीने पे खाई डरे हम नहीं, गोली सीने पे खाई डरे हम नहीं, वक्त पड़ने पे पीछे हटे हम नहीं, वक्त पड़ने पे पीछे हटे हम नहीं. सरहदों पर खड़े तेरे अंसार है, सरहदों पर खड़े तेरे अंसार है हम, वफादार हैं हम वफादार हैं. जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है हम, वफादार हैं हम वफादार हैं. रोकने से न दुश्मन के रुक पाएंगे, रोकने से न दुश्मन के रुक पाएंगे, अपनी धरती की अजमत पे मर जाएंगे, अपनी धरती की
Please everyone clap your hands. Please everyone clap your hands.
वतन तेरी उल्फत ने सरसार है वतन तेरी उल्फत ने सरसार है. हम वफादार हैं हम वफादार हैं. जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है हम, वफादार हैं तहजीब के हम तरफदार हैं, अपनी तहजीब के हम तरफदार हैं, हम वफादार हैं, हम वफादार हैं, जान भारत पे देने को तैयार है, हम वफादार हैं, हम वफादार हैं, हम वफादार हैं, हम वफादार हैं। थैंक यू।
Please clap your hand for Fiar Basan Ansari from class 8. ना पूछे दुनिया हमसे क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछे ये दुनिया हमसे क्या हमारी कहानी है, बस इतना कह दे भारत हमारी जान है. With this beautiful शायरी, after that I would like to call Sakir sir. Please bring you all students for drama. So everyone, please clap your hands to welcome them. Please everyone.
उसको दर्शाते हुए प्रस्तुत है संत श्री आसाराम जी गुरुकुल के ऋषि कुमारों द्वारा एक छोटी सी नाटिका, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी।